Yeah, we knew we had to beat Damon by at least 10 points to still keep us a slim chance for the championship, and that's what we did today. We were counting on the start, but for once Damon left the grid pretty good, and we had a pretty bad one. And it was looking grim at that point, and then it was a good battle with Michael until we came upon some traffic, and he was going slowly before the last turn, hoping I would stay behind, but we just got him on the outside. So I think the oval experience helped a little bit there, and it was actually a lot of fun. And after that was just fighting to get close to Damon and to try and overtake him in the pit stop, and that's what happened.
The winning constructor, represented by Mr. Willie Sanders, the team manager of the Western Winning team. The trophy presented by Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, the Prime Minister of Malaysia. For the second place drive today.
Yeah, I felt pretty confident I could stay ahead, but Jack did a great job getting through the traffic, and it was exciting when he caught me up, but I managed to pull away, and I was confident then that I'd be able to stay ahead at the pit stop, but he found some time in the pit stop, and I was quite surprised to see him pop out in front of me. And after that, I tried to stay with him, but he was really flying, and I couldn't stay with him. I had some information on the radio later on, about 3 or 4 laps after that there was something wrong with the clutch, so I had to go to different settings on the clutch, and after that I was really concerned about finishing the race.
Presented by Mr. Cesar Torres, the President of the Automobile Club of Portugal.
We knew that if we are behind at the start and he is on a 2-stop, we would struggle to pass him, so we had to think about different solution, and we found one.